Khalif Rhodes is here to be able to talk about this very concerning allegations here. Have we ever seen anything like this before?
Oh, that's a mixed bag question. This lawsuit in itself is an older lawsuit. 2022 was when it was filed. This was an update to the lawsuit. There have been a number of parties that have kind of fallen off. There's been settlements during this process. 10 schools settled. But now you have these other 7 that are continuing to go forward. Antitrust claims are common. Antitrust claims and lawsuits against universities, not as common. That's where you're like, okay, we're kind of in that gray area. Is there collusion? But you got to remember, this got to this place because there was a 586 group where all these colleges came together and decided to talk together about how they can lower, financial aid and make sure that colleges were affordable. One of the requirements was that if you guys were allowed to come together, you had an exemption. Basically, you couldn't consider wealth. You couldn't consider finances. You had to look at them as a blind pack. And because they were supposed to be doing that, everyone's supposed to be getting a fair shot. Well, this lawsuit is saying, hey, they actually were looking at finances. You were not actually looking at a blind, neutral approach. And because of that, we think you've done something wrong.
I mean, very hard to prove, though. I mean, when you look at this, but what specifically are they asking for?
Well, I'll hit on that point. Hard to prove until you start to look at some of the testimony. You start to look at their own wording. One of the universities had these folders that they were delivering, and it had 80 applications on there. And in the file, it had a list of the donations, a list of the parents' wealth, a list of where the parents work. Didn't have the student's application, didn't have the student's background. And then on the top of these names, it said, please admit. And so that's clear evidence that you're pointing to show that, hey, you knew that this had nothing to do with the students, all to do with the wealth. In terms of what they're asking for, 685, that's 685 million, but it's treble damages. So you're talking about almost $2 billion in money. So all these lawsuits are about money. We're asking you to right the wrongs that you've done to the students that have come through these universities that should have saved money and they didn't.
What about students who feel like, you know what, this is me. I'm watching this play out, and I feel like I was a part of this?
I like that question. I mean, it's like any class action suit that you get into. A class is going to be certified. So the court is going to say, do you have individuals that are similarly situated? Okay, we went to college during this time frame. We felt like we fit into this financial category. Great, the court will certify and say, now to become a part of this lawsuit, you got to fit into this little box. So if you're a student looking at home and you say, hey, I went to school during that time frame, my parents were potentially middle class and we were affected by this situation, you may fit in that box. There'll be a ton of law firms reaching out to you pretty soon if you were in that category. But if not, you'll be able to reach out once there's a class settled. They'll have to post that on the website to show what the class settlement requirements are, and then you just join onto the lawsuit.